Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed question number 1, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 13.2. Now see the question number 5 of exercise 13.2. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. This is your inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter, radius of the top which is open is 5 centimeter. This is radius 5 and this is the height 8. Filled with water up to the brim. It is filled with water up to the brim. When lead shot, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5. Lead shot is put in it 1/4 of the volume is flow out. This water flow out how much lead shot dropped in the vessel. So volume of water in a cone, that is 1/3 pi r square h, 1/3 22/7, radius is 5 into 5, height is 8. 8 5 are 40, 45 are 200, 21 centimeter cube. What volume of water flow out is 1/4 of volume of water in a cone. For 11 volume of sphere lead shot is 4/3 pi r cube. So it is equal to 4/3 22/7, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, because radius of lead sphere a shot is 0.5. Remove this decimal, put the 10, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 and 2 cancel, 2 11 ja. So it become 11/21 centimeter cube. Number of lead shot drop is volume of water flow out upon volume of spherical lead shot. So it is equal to 1100 upon 21, 11 upon 21, 21 and 21 cancel, 1100 ja, that is equal to 100 is the answer. Sixth question, it is very simple question, you will do it yourself. Seventh question, a solid consists of right cone of height 120 and radius 60 stand on a hemisphere of radius 60 is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 40 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. You see it, this is a cone whose height is 120 centimeter and radius is 60 centimeter, and this is a hemisphere, it is also of radius 60 centimeter. This whole solid is put in the cylinder. This whole solid is put in the cylinder which touches the side of the cylinder Find the water left in the cylinder if the radius is 60 and height is 180. So it is 180 centimeter. So volume of water in a cylinder is pi r square h. This is question number 7. Radius is 60, height is 180. So you can write value of pi is taken as 22 upon 7 into 60 into 60 into 180. So there will be 4 zeros, 6 6 are 36, 18 6 are 108, 18 3 are 54 and 10 50 64, 22, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8 1 9, 2 6 are 12, 6 5 3 2 4 1. So it will be 1425 upon 7 centimeter cube. Now volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. taking 1/3 pi r square common, h plus 2r 1/3 22/7, radius is 60 into 60, height is 120 because height of cone is 120, plus 2 into radius is 60. Three 600, 120 plus 120, that is 240, 3 8 ja 24, so multiplied it, yeah 30 no 30 36, 8 ja 288, 22, 6 3 3 6, 6 3 3 6 upon 7, volume of water left in a cone is equal to volume of water in a cone minus volume of water left in a cylinder, volume of water in a cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere, that is 14256 with 000 upon 7 minus 6336 with 000 upon 7. 7 is the LCM. 14256 000 minus 6336 000. 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 3 2, 12 minus 3 9, 13 minus 6 7 upon 7. So this will be the answer. Question number 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 3 ja 1, 7 1 ja again 3, 7 4 ja 7 2 ja 6 7 8 ja upon, that is इतने सेंटीमीटर क्यूब अप्रॉक्स 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 with 60 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of water left 1131428 upon 1 with 60 meter cube. So 6 digit before it will be decimal. So it will be taken as 1.131 meter cube is the answer. So your homework is question number 6 and 8 of exercise 13.2. ठीक है.